To make money with freelancing, follow these steps. 1. Identify your niche. Choose a specific skill or service you excel at. 2. Build a portfolio. Showcase your best work to attract clients. 3. Set competitive rates. Research and establish fair pricing for your services. 4. Market yourself. Utilize online platforms and networking to find clients. 5. Deliver high-quality work. Exceed client expectations to build a positive reputation. 6. Provide excellent customer service. Communicate clearly and promptly with clients. 7. Expand your skill set. Offer complementary services to increase earning potential. 8. Diversify your client base. Avoid relying too heavily on one or two clients. 9. Upsell and cross-sell. Offer additional services or products to existing clients. 10. Continuously improve. Stay updated on industry trends and technologies. 11. Manage finances wisely. Keep track of income, expenses, and taxes. By following these steps and maintaining a strong work ethic, you can succeed in freelancing and increase your income.